Our story begins on the morning of June 30th, 1908, in a remote part of Siberia near the Tunguska River. As dawn broke, the tranquility of the Siberian wilderness was shattered. At approximately 7:17 a.m., the sky ignited, casting an eerie light across the vast landscape. The serenity of the Siberian tundra was obliterated in an instant, replaced by a terrifying spectacle of nature's raw power. An explosion of colossal magnitude ripped through the morning calm, releasing a force estimated to be over 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. To put it in perspective, that's over 185 Hiroshima bombs detonated simultaneously. The shockwave was so intense, it registered on seismic stations across Europe and Asia. This event, known as the Tunguska event, was the largest explosion of its kind recorded in human history. At around 7:17 a.m., a massive explosion lit up the sky, releasing energy equivalent to over 1,000 atomic bombs. The explosion flattened an estimated 80 million trees over an area of 2,150 square kilometers. Imagine, if you will, the sheer magnitude of the force required to lay waste to such an expanse. An uninvited guest from the cosmos had made its presence known in the most destructive way possible. Siberia's verdant landscape was transformed into a barren wasteland in a matter of moments. Reports of the event quickly spread across the globe, with shockwaves from the explosion felt as far away as Europe. Yes, you heard that right, Europe. The reverberations of this catastrophic event were not limited to Siberia alone. They echoed across continents, shaking the very earth beneath our feet. Eyewitness accounts from the time speak of a fireball streaking across the sky, a fiery harbinger of the devastation to come. The sky was ablaze with an otherworldly light, a chilling spectacle that would remain etched in their memories for a lifetime. Shockwaves were felt as far as Europe, and witnesses reported seeing a fireball streaking across the sky. Scientists worldwide were baffled by the Tunguska event. The sheer magnitude of the explosion and the lack of an impact crater left them scratching their heads in bewilderment. This wasn't any ordinary scientific puzzle. It was a conundrum of colossal proportions. The most widely accepted theory among the scientific community was a meteorite impact. This hypothesis was based on the immense energy release and the eyewitness accounts of a fireball streaking across the sky. But the missing impact crater was a glaring inconsistency, casting a shadow of doubt over this theory. Alternatively, some scientists proposed the idea of a comet explosion. The volatile nature of comets, composed mainly of ice and dust, could explain the lack of a crater. However, this theory also had its skeptics, as it was hard to reconcile with the sheer energy of the explosion. And then there were more exotic theories, from the passage of a mini black hole to an alien spacecraft mishap. Investigations led to various theories, including a meteorite impact, a comet explosion, and even more exotic speculations like a black hole passage. In 1927, scientist Leonid Kulik led an expedition to the Tunguska region. It was a journey fraught with challenges, but driven by an insatiable curiosity and a burning desire to solve the riddle of the Siberian explosion. Kulik and his team spent countless hours combing through the vast Siberian wilderness, searching for clues hidden in the flattened landscape. Their findings? Intriguing, to say the least. They discovered a strange pattern of fallen trees, all pointing away from the epicenter of the explosion. More perplexing, however, was the absence of an impact crater. In most meteorite impacts, a significant crater is left behind, a telltale sign of an extraterrestrial visitor. But here, there was nothing. Despite this, Kulik's team found microscopic remnants of what they believed to be meteoric iron. This evidence pointed towards the meteorite theory, suggesting that a meteorite had indeed exploded mid-air. While no impact crater was found, the expedition collected evidence supporting the meteorite hypothesis, but the mystery persisted. The debate raged on for decades. At the heart of the Tunguska mystery, two theories battled for dominance: the comet theory and the meteorite theory. The comet theory emerged due to the absence of an impact crater. Comets are composed largely of ice and gas, which would vaporize upon exploding, leaving no crater behind. This could explain the extensive forest damage without a visible impact site. On the other hand, the meteorite theory was supported by the event's immense energy release. Meteorites, being denser and composed primarily of rock or iron, could cause such a massive explosion. But again, where was the crater? The scales of the debate tipped this way and that, with each theory having its merits and enigmas. It was a cosmic game of tug-of-war, with the truth elusive and tantalizingly out of reach. Some believed a comet caused the explosion due to lack of a crater, while others argued for a meteorite impact due to the event's immense energy. Recent studies have reignited interest in the Tunguska event. Over a century after the mysterious explosion, the scientific community is still buzzing with new findings. The latest development revolves around microscopic extraterrestrial materials discovered in the region. This discovery has breathed new life into the long-standing meteorite theory. These tiny particles, invisible to the naked eye, are believed to be remnants of the celestial body that caused the massive explosion. The composition of these particles, which is distinct from any earthly matter, points strongly towards an extraterrestrial origin. This finding has added a new dimension to our understanding of the Tunguska event. It has given more weight to the meteorite theory, challenging the comet hypothesis that has dominated discussions for decades. While this discovery is not a definitive answer, it brings us a step closer to unraveling the mystery of the Tunguska event. Scientists have found microscopic evidence of extraterrestrial materials supporting the meteorite theory. Yet, the Tunguska event remains a tantalizing enigma. As we journey deeper into this perplexing mystery, we find ourselves drawn into a maze of theories, speculations, and scientific investigations that have spanned over a century. Each new discovery, every piece of evidence, seems to add another layer to this intriguing puzzle, rather than bring us closer to a definitive answer. At the heart of this enigma lies the question of what could have possibly caused such a massive explosion, one that released energy equivalent to over 1,000 Hiroshima bombs in a remote part of Siberia. The absence of a crater at the epicenter of the blast adds to the mystery, making the task of determining the cause even more challenging. Over the years, scientists worldwide have proposed various theories to explain the Tunguska event. The meteorite impact theory, initially suggested by Leonid Kulik, has been one of the most widely accepted. Kulik's expedition to the Tunguska region in 1927, although failed to find an impact crater, collected evidence that seemed to support this hypothesis. However, the meteorite theory has its fair share of skeptics. Critics point out that a meteorite of the size necessary to cause such a vast explosion would have left a significant crater. Yet, no such crater has ever been found at the site of the Tunguska event. As a result, some scientists have turned to the comet hypothesis as a more plausible explanation. Comets, composed mostly of ice and dust, could have exploded in the Earth's atmosphere, causing the observed devastation without leaving a crater. This theory also explains the reports of a fireball streaking across the sky, typical of a comet's entry into the atmosphere. Yet the comet theory is not without its detractors. Some argue that a comet explosion would not have released enough energy to cause the level of destruction observed in the Tunguska event. Moreover, no comet debris has ever been found at the site, casting further doubt on this theory. Other, more exotic theories have also been proposed, ranging from a mini black hole passing through Earth to an explosion of natural gas from the Earth's crust. However, these theories remain on the fringes of scientific discourse, with little evidence to support them. In recent years, new discoveries have reignited interest in the Tunguska event. Scientists have found microscopic evidence of extraterrestrial materials in the Tunguska region, lending support to the meteorite theory. However, these findings have yet to provide a definitive answer to the mystery of the Tunguska event. The Tunguska event, despite being over a century old, continues to captivate scientists and mystery enthusiasts alike. Its true cause continues to elude us, leaving a profound mark on the history of scientific mysteries. The Tunguska event is a testament to the fact that, despite our advances in science and technology, there are still phenomena in our universe that remain beyond our comprehension. As we continue to delve into the enigma that is the Tunguska event, we are reminded of the vastness of our universe and the limitless possibilities it holds. The quest for answers propels us forward, driving us to probe deeper into the mysteries of our world. And so, the Tunguska Enigma endures, a tantalizing mystery that continues to baffle and fascinate us. Its true cause continues to elude us, leaving a profound mark on the history of scientific mysteries. Are you fascinated by the enigma of the Tunguska event? The mystery that has left a profound impression on the canvas of history. The puzzle that continues to baffle scientists and researchers even after more than a century since it occurred. The Tunguska event is not merely an isolated incident from the past, but a riddle that challenges us to look beyond the obvious, to question our understanding, and to persistently seek the truth. This enigma is not confined to the confines of Siberia, nor is it bound by the timeline of 1908. It resonates across the globe, across the centuries, reminding us that our universe is still full of unexplored mysteries, full of unanswered questions. The Tunguska event is an open invitation to us all, an invitation to join the quest for knowledge, to be part of the journey of discovery. In this quest, we are not merely observers, but active participants. Every theory we propose, every piece of evidence we examine, every question we ask, brings us one step closer to unraveling the mystery. This is not a solitary journey, but a collective endeavor. Every one of us, with our unique perspectives and insights, contributes to the understanding of this phenomenon. So, where do we go from here? How do we continue this journey of discovery? The answer lies in our collective curiosity, our shared passion for unraveling the mysteries of the universe. It lies in our commitment to seek the truth, no matter how elusive it may be. That's why we invite you to join our community of mystery enthusiasts, of knowledge seekers, of truth finders. By subscribing to Neural Enigma, you're not merely joining a channel, but becoming part of a global community that values curiosity, encourages questioning, and cherishes the thrill of discovery. But subscribing is just the beginning. To truly be part of this quest, we encourage you to engage with our content, to share your thoughts and insights, to propose theories, and to ask questions. Every comment, every like, every share contributes to our collective understanding and brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be among the first to know when we release new content, ensuring that you never miss out on any new discoveries or insights. Whether it's a new perspective on the Tunguska event, an exploration of another historical mystery, or an in-depth analysis of a recent scientific discovery, you'll always be in the loop. But remember, this quest is not a race, but a journey. It's not about reaching the destination, but about enjoying the journey. It's about the thrill of discovery, the joy of learning, and the satisfaction of understanding. So, are you ready to join the quest? Are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery? Are you ready to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe? If your answer is yes, then we look forward to welcoming you to our community, to our journey, to our quest. Join the quest for answers by subscribing to Neural Enigma and hitting the notification bell. Stay tuned for more immersive explorations. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of the universe, one enigma at a time.